This week's recipe is Vietnamese coconut pandan waffles. So here's our ingredients. We got sugar, flour, coconut flakes, baking powder, butter, rice flour, pandan paste, which is in that small bottle there, tapioca starch, kosher salt, coconut milk, and 2 eggs. All of these items you can get in my links in the description of the video. So next here we're going to sift together all of our dry ingredients. So what sifting does is it just eliminates any packed content. You're making sure there's plenty of air and fluffiness in between all of your dry ingredients. So this is your white flour followed by your glutinous rice flour, and then quite a bit of rice flour here. I think it's 2.5 cups. After this, we're going to add the baking soda, the tapioca starch, and the kosher salt. And once that's done, all the dry ingredients will have been sifted properly. All right, using our KitchenAid stand mixer, we're going to mix together the sugar, the butter, and the eggs. So 1 cup of sugar, we're going to add our 2 eggs. We're going to mix that for about 30 seconds. And next we're going to add the melted and cooled butter. You don't want it super hot. Followed by a can of coconut milk, and then 1 teaspoon of the key ingredient, which is the pandan paste. Mix that together for about 30 seconds. And now we're going to start adding the dry ingredients. And we're going to start with half of the dry ingredients. Do that, close the lid, mix about 30 seconds, and then add the other half of the dry ingredients, followed by, let's say, I don't know, a cup of shredded coconut flakes. You can eyeball it here, no need to be precise. Mix that for about 30 seconds again, and this is what your batter should look like when it's done. Here comes the glory shot. Oh, look at that. It tastes so good, you guys. It's such good raw batter. Oh my god. All right, here's my waffle iron. Now I've preheated it, and I'm going to spray it with non-stick cooking spray. And using my measuring cup, I'm going to add the batter to the waffle iron. And once you've got enough batter on there, I put a little bit too much on this, but you know, who cares? Use my spatula and kind of spread it out a little bit to make sure it's covering all the waffle ironness. Close the lid, wait 4 to 5 minutes, and boom, here we go. Now I'm gonna use chopsticks to remove this from my non-stick tray. And if you look at the other side, that other side is kind of crispy, which is really nice. Now I like my pandan waffles a little bit gooey. These could have cooked a couple more minutes, but I love them this way. And here is the money shot. Oh, look at that. And look at this wonderful green interior. Guys, pandan tastes so good. It's like a sweet vanilla, but a little bit different. You don't add any syrup. You eat these by hand. Enjoy.